Turn on the shielding gas. Turn on the main power switch. Turn on the emergency stop button. Turn on the system power, the chiller power and the laser power on panel. We can select the language we need to use on the control panel. There are 5 language options: English, Chinese, Russian, Korean, Vietnamese. Our welding torch supports 6-spot modes, dot, line, circle, tableau, triangle, and infinite. We can set various parameters on the panel according to different welding needs. Finally, we can press the gap button on the control panel to start the welding operation. Next time, laser welding machine user guide